斥资180万打造的自行车能跑得过法拉利吗？发射枪一响，自行车喷出一团白雾后，刚刚这辆汽车的名字叫做 Rider， 重量达到了可怕的3.85吨，主要重在了变形系统上，因为它搭配了4个摄像头，可以
Welcome to
看清
Tech
楚周
New
围的
Tip.
路况。再到达
Discover
车
the
顶，
power of
塑料
progress.
座椅又脏又
Here,
堵，
we celebrate the extraordinary world of technology and innovation.
立马就能
From groundbreaking machines to futuristic advancements, our channel takes you on a journey to explore the tools and ideas shaping tomorrow. Whether it's engineering marvels, cutting-edge science, or the latest breakthroughs, Tech New Tip is your guide to discovering the power of progress. Subscribe and join us as we unlock the wonders of technology and push the boundaries of what's
值
possible.
得一提的是，在不断下潜的同时，舱内的压强会始终保持与水面上，何必要选择这个大型的十字架？像这种外形奇怪的飞行器，我们见过不少，甚至水平方向的飞行最高速度就休想过掉这一关。这是怎么做到的？要知道，近几年河流和海洋上的漂浮垃圾越来越多，对环境的影响越来越严重，因此人们想出了很多办法。
Imagine this. You press a button, and an ordinary car suddenly transforms into a towering giant. But what is this transformation for? In today's world, cars are everywhere, and rush hour traffic can make you question your very existence. Stuck in a gridlock, have you ever wished you could just fly over the cars in front of you? If so, your dream might be closer to reality than you think. Picture this. A Jeep finds itself at the tail end of a massive traffic jam. While most drivers would quietly wait in line, this driver has a different plan. With the press of a mysterious button inside the car, the transformation begins. The vehicle's chassis starts to rise, its left wheels extend outward, and within seconds, the car is elevated 1.5 meters off the ground, with a wheel span of 2.5 meters wide. Before you even process what's happening, the car effortlessly climbs over the vehicles ahead. This jaw-dropping maneuver leaves pedestrians on the side of the road utterly stunned. This incredible vehicle is called the Home Rider. Weighing a staggering 3.85 tons, its unique transformation system is powered by advanced hydraulics, allowing the landing gear to lift and lower the car with ease. And don't worry about visibility when the car is elevated. It's equipped with 4 cameras that provide a full view of the surroundings, ensuring safe driving. Once it reaches the front of the traffic jam, the Home Rider simply transforms back to its original shape and drives off as if nothing happened. But here's the catch. This car isn't something you'll see on the market. It's a one-of-a-kind promotional vehicle created by an American telecom company in partnership with Jeep to showcase their in-car technology. The dramatic overtaking scene, it was all carefully rehearsed for the video. In real life, traffic jams aren't neatly arranged for you to glide over. Even though this extraordinary machine may never become a reality, it still leaves us in awe of what's possible with imagination and engineering. A dream on wheels, if only for a moment. What do you do with dirty and worn-out plastic seats? Don't worry, just grab a flamethrower, aim it at the seat, and give it a quick blast. Instantly, it'll look shiny and new, so inviting that you'll want to sit on it right away. But wait, what kind of sorcery is this? This flame makeover works wonders not just for seats, but also for things like car bumpers. Once scuffed or dulled, a quick flame treatment can bring them back to life. The magic lies in the material. Thermoplastic, also known as heat-conductive plastic. This type of plastic softens under high heat, becoming malleable like a liquid, and hardens back into a solid state once cooled. Because this process can be repeated endlessly, it's called thermoplastic. Its counterpart, thermoset plastic, can't do this. The science is straightforward. When you apply flame, it introduces oxygen to the surface molecules, triggering an oxidation reaction. This smooths out the surface, restores the original color of the plastic, and creates an even, glossy finish. In short, it looks as good as new. But here's a challenge for you. Imagine a stadium with 10,000 seats. If it cost $1 to restore each seat, how long would it take you to finish the job? It's worth mentioning that thermoplastic isn't just used in seats and bumpers. It's also found in items like suitcase shells. In manufacturing, thermoplastic sheets are heated in vacuum-forming machines. Once softened, the sheets are blown into shape, molded, and cooled to create a suitcase's outer layer. Now here's an interesting question. If a thermoplastic suitcase ages and deteriorates over time, could we also restore it using flames? Maybe it's time to put that theory to the test. After several precise turns and careful angle adjustments, the aircraft finally finds the perfect descent trajectory. In no time, it touches down on the carrier's deck, skimming the runway before being abruptly stopped by a thin cable. Within moments, the plane comes to a complete halt, all thanks to this seemingly simple wire, valued at an astonishing $1.5 million. But what makes this slender cable so extraordinary? Known as the arresting cable, it plays a critical role in safely halting high-speed aircraft. Typically, planes require a glide distance of 300 to 1,000 kilometers to land, but the limited deck space of an aircraft carrier makes this impossible. That's where the arresting cable comes in to save the day. Each arresting cable is a marvel of engineering, composed of 6 tightly wound steel cables. Each steel cable, in turn, consists of 12 main strands, 12 medium-sized strands, and 6 smaller strands arranged in a triangular formation. The manufacturing process is meticulous, ensuring that only the highest-grade steel is used to guarantee safety for both the pilots and the aircraft. Aircraft carriers are equipped with 3 to 4 arresting cables, or sometimes even more. These cables can withstand forces exceeding 1,500 megapascals, equivalent to more than 15 tons of force. When a plane lands, a hook attached to its tail snags one of these cables. If the first cable isn't enough to stop the aircraft, the hook will catch the next one, or even the one after that. Below the carrier's deck lies a massive hydraulic arresting system. This system, connected to the cables via pulleys and dampers, absorbs the aircraft's kinetic energy. The greater the force exerted by the aircraft, the more power the damper applies, ensuring the plane comes to a smooth stop on the limited runway space. However, not all carrier-based aircraft rely on this method. The F-35B Lightning II, a game-changing fighter jet, can land vertically, bypassing the need for arresting cables entirely. If you're curious about this incredible jet, check out our previous videos for an in-depth exploration. Take a closer look. This futuristic marvel is not a sci-fi prop, but a groundbreaking private submarine called Trident. Designed to take you to depths of 1,000 meters, it opens the door to a whole new underwater world waiting to be explored. For most of us, opportunities to dive into the mysteries of the deep sea are rare. Even professional divers are typically limited to depths of around 10 meters. That's why a German tech company introduced an innovative underwater device capable of reaching 40 meters. With its sleek hydrodynamic design, this gadget allows users to steer using their body weight, achieving speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour. Imagine gliding through the water and dancing alongside dolphins. However, when it comes to venturing into the deeper realms of the ocean, the Triton 3300/3 takes the spotlight. This incredible submarine features a spherical cockpit at its center, accommodating 1 pilot and 2 passengers. Capable of descending to a staggering 1,000 meters, it offers an unparalleled view of the underwater world through its 360-degree pressure-resistant cabin. Not only can you marvel at the vibrant marine life up close, but you can also capture jaw-dropping photos and videos to share on social media. What's even more remarkable is the cabin's ability to maintain surface-level pressure throughout the dive, ensuring maximum comfort no matter how deep you go. Plus, operating the Triton is surprisingly simple, thanks to its intuitive digital controls and touchscreen interface. So, are you ready to dive into the deep blue and experience the wonders of the ocean like never before? ocean. What's that flying in the sky? At first glance, it may look like a giant airborne cross, but it's actually a futuristic drone invented by Martin UAV, a US-based company. This innovative flying machine isn't just unique in appearance, it's also incredibly versatile. Capable of vertical takeoff, hovering, and switching seamlessly to horizontal flight, it's like nothing we've seen before. And speaking of unusual flying designs, have you ever seen the black circular flying disc? Another recent international invention, this manned aircraft positions its cockpit on the back of the disc. To fly it, pilots must lay flat inside with only their heads sticking out. While it's capable of vertical takeoff as well, its endurance is underwhelming, lasting less than 20 minutes in the air. So what about this cross-shaped drone? What's its purpose? According to its designer, the primary function is professional aerial photography. But here's the big question. Why use such a large and unconventional design when smaller, more portable drones can also handle professional filming with ease? Here's the answer. The Flying Cross drone is built for power and endurance. Measuring 2.4 meters long and 2.6 meters tall, it's equipped with an advanced gasoline engine, giving it several times the power of traditional drones. This enables it to reach horizontal flight speeds of up to 83 kilometers per hour and stay airborne for an impressive 8 hours. With an 11-kilogram payload capacity, it can carry multiple cameras and even additional equipment like radar. The radar feature isn't just for show. It ensures that even in the event of an accident, the drone can be precisely located using radar signals. Ever wondered how construction workers achieve such precision and speed? Look at this clever device in action. Freshly mixed concrete is poured directly into the machine, and as you pull it forward, it neatly spreads a uniform layer of concrete on the ground. Clean, precise, and efficient. But how does it work? Achieving this level of precision manually would require years of skill and practice. For instance, tasks like plastering walls take a seasoned hand. However, to save time and ensure consistency, engineers have developed specialized tools like the wall plastering wizard. This ingenious gadget features a large, spinning yellow disc that evenly spreads plaster over walls as you guide it along. Within moments, the entire wall is perfectly coated. But plastering isn't the only challenge. Applying cement while bricklaying is another demanding task. Apply too little, and the bricks won't hold. Too much, and you'll waste material. That's where the cement spreading machine comes to the rescue. Shaped like a pasta press, this nifty tool is equipped with 4 wheels for mobility and 2 gears on the side. One gear adjusts the height of the cement spreader opening, while the other controls the flow. In just 10 seconds, you can cover a meter's length with an even layer of cement. When you're done with the wall, simply turn off the flow with a twist of the gear. This tool not only ensures the bricks are perfectly aligned, but also drastically reduces the amount of cement wasted. With such innovative devices, construction work is becoming faster, cleaner, and more precise than ever before. Isn't it amazing? Building. Imagine a series of rotating discs placed strategically in a river. As the water flows, these discs begin to spin, effortlessly collecting floating trash along the surface. Despite the wide gaps between the discs, any debris that drifts too close to them doesn't stand a chance. It's all thanks to a clever design that ensures no trash escapes. Why is this innovation so important? Over the past few years, floating trash in rivers and oceans has become a massive environmental issue. The impact is growing more severe, and as a result, people have been coming up with creative solutions to tackle this problem. For instance, we've already discussed the sea bin, a floating trash bin in the ocean that uses water pumps to create a water level difference, automatically funneling floating debris into the bin. In just 1 to 2 days, it can collect a significant amount of trash, making it an incredibly convenient solution. However, this approach doesn't work well in fast-moving rivers. That's where the revolutionary river cleaning discs come in. Created by an Italian company called River Planning, these discs are designed specifically for cleaning floating waste in rivers. The discs are anchored underwater using cables or steel ropes. As the water flows, the discs spin continuously. When plastic bottles and other debris approach, the rotating gears push them toward the next disc, ultimately gathering the trash along the riverbank. But the innovation doesn't stop there. By adding sponges and pumps inside the discs, they can also help clean up oil spills, making them more versatile. The spinning discs generate electricity, which can power sorting machines on the riverbank or even the disc's own systems, such as GPS and motors. Thanks to GPS, the discs can detect nearby boats and automatically shift aside to allow them to pass through. Once the boat has passed, the discs close back up, ensuring continuous operation without obstruction. This system doesn't just clean rivers more effectively, but it does so sustainably, using the natural energy of the water. It's an eco-friendly, innovative solution to a pressing environmental issue. Could this be the future of waterway cleanup? We certainly think so. The $180,000 rocket bike, faster than a Ferrari, ready, set, go. As the race begins, a plume of white vapor bursts from the bike, and in the blink of an eye, the Ferrari is left eating dust. The driver behind the wheel of the world-class supercar stares in disbelief as the rocket-powered bicycle leaves it in the dust, disappearing into the distance. When the race ends, the bike's speedometer reveals something jaw-dropping. It hit a top speed of 333 kilometers per hour, 207 miles per hour. What kind of sorcery is powering this two-wheeled beast? A $1 million marvel. This isn't your average bike. With a staggering production cost of $180,000, this custom creation is a masterpiece of engineering. The bike's frame is expertly welded steel. Its front fork is a nod to classic history, and its rear wheel is borrowed straight from a small race car. But the real star is hidden under the seat, a miniature rocket engine. Unlike conventional rocket engines that use high-temperature fuels, this bike relies on high-concentration hydrogen peroxide for safety reasons. When hydrogen peroxide reacts with a catalyst, it rapidly decomposes into oxygen and water vapor, producing an immense amount of thrust. That vapor you see shooting out the back, that's superheated water traveling at 1,000 meters per second. This insane propulsion system is why the bike can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 1 second and reach 333 kilometers per hour in just 4.7 seconds. According to the brave soul who piloted this rocket bike, it feels like being launched into orbit. The sheer acceleration is unlike anything on Earth. Would you dare to take this rocket bike for a spin, knowing it could outrun a Ferrari? Share your thoughts. Are you ready to strap in and blast off? Welcome to Tech New Tip. Discover the power of progress. Here, we celebrate the extraordinary world of technology and innovation. From groundbreaking machines to futuristic advancements, our channel takes you on a journey to explore the tools and ideas shaping tomorrow. Whether it's engineering marvels, cutting-edge science, or the latest breakthroughs, Tech New Tip is your guide to discovering the power of progress. Subscribe and join us as we unlock the wonders of technology and push the boundaries of what's possible. Standing like a giant on the high seas, the Huisman offshore drilling rig isn't just any platform. It's a technological powerhouse. Designed to extract resources from the depths of the ocean, this rig is built for efficiency, safety, and reliability. At the heart of this beast lies its fully automated pipe handling system. No more manual labor in hazardous conditions. These robotic arms operate with unmatched precision, seamlessly assembling and disassembling drill pipes faster than any human crew. Now let's talk about depth. This rig can drill over 10,000 meters into the Earth's crust. That's like stacking 33 Eiffel Towers one on top of the other. And it does this while floating on waves that could swallow skyscrapers. But it's not just about brute strength. The Huisman rig also prioritizes sustainability. With cutting-edge monitoring systems and water recycling technologies, it ensures minimal environmental impact while maximizing resource extraction. A day on the Huisman rig is a symphony of human expertise and machine precision. From the control room to the drilling floor, every move is calculated, every system optimized. This isn't just work, it's a high-stakes mission. The Huisman offshore drilling rig is more than a machine. It's a glimpse into the future of energy. A future where innovation and responsibility go hand in hand, and where limits are pushed beyond imagination. Ready to explore more groundbreaking technologies? Subscribe to Tech New Tip and join us on this thrilling journey into the world of innovation. Behold the king of cranes, the Liebherr LR13000, a machine so powerful, so colossal, that it redefines what's possible in heavy lifting. This is the story of an engineering marvel that can move mountains, literally. The Liebherr LR13000 is the world's most powerful conventional crawler crane. Designed for mega projects, it has a maximum lifting capacity of an astounding 3,000 tons. That's equivalent to lifting 1,000 cars in one go. But it's not just about weight. This Titan reaches sky high with a boom length of 248 meters, taller than most skyscrapers. Whether it's building offshore platforms or nuclear power plants, the LR13000 is designed to handle the toughest jobs at any height. Power without precision is nothing, and this machine delivers both. Equipped with advanced control systems, the Liebherr LR13000 can execute millimeter-perfect movements, ensuring safety and efficiency on even the most complex sites. Despite its size, the LR13000 is surprisingly practical. Thanks to its modular design, this behemoth can be dismantled and transported to remote locations with ease. Once on site, it can be reassembled and operational in record time. And here's the kicker. This giant is also green. Powered by an eco-friendly engine, the Liebherr LR13000 is designed to minimize fuel consumption and reduce its environmental impact, making it as sustainable as it is powerful. A day with the LR13000 is a symphony of engineering and human expertise. From sunrise to sunset, this machine works tirelessly, tackling tasks that no other crane can even dream of attempting. The Liebherr LR13000 isn't just a crane, it's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Ready to discover more amazing machines? Subscribe to Tech New Tip and join us on this journey through the marvels of technology. Introducing the SLJ 900/32, more than a machine, it's a revolution in bridge construction. Nicknamed the Iron Monster, this engineering marvel changes the way we build the highways of the future. At 580 tons and stretching 91 meters long, the SLJ 900/32 is a bridge-building colossus. Specifically designed for segmental bridge construction, it's built to save time, reduce costs, and redefine efficiency. Here's how it works. The SLJ 900/32 transports precast segments of the bridge, lifts them into position, and secures them, all in one seamless operation. It can handle segments weighing up to 900 tons with pinpoint accuracy. This eliminates the need for massive cranes or scaffolding. Unlike traditional construction, the SLJ 900/32 moves like a giant caterpillar, inching forward along the bridge it's building. Equipped with 64 wheels and an advanced hydraulic system, this beast glides smoothly over spans, ready for its next task. Whether it's spanning deep valleys, crossing rivers, or threading through urban landscapes, the SLJ 900/32 thrives in extreme conditions. Its robust design and adaptability make it a favorite for bridge projects worldwide. Safety and efficiency are at the heart of the SLJ 900/32. Its automated controls reduce manual labor, while its modular construction minimizes risks for workers. The result? Faster completion times and a safer working environment. The SLJ 900/32 isn't just building bridges, it's building the future. Faster, safer, and more efficient than ever, this iron titan is paving the way for modern infrastructure. Welcome to Rotterdam, home to one of the busiest ports in the world. And towering over it all are the mighty Rotterdam container cranes, machines that have revolutionized global shipping. These cranes are giants of the shipping world, standing up to 150 feet tall, with booms that stretch over 60 meters. Each one is a marvel of engineering, designed to handle the largest container ships ever built. Don't let their size fool you. These cranes combine raw power with surgical precision. Equipped with advanced spreaders, they can lock onto containers weighing up to 60 tons and move them with pinpoint accuracy, even in challenging weather conditions. Inside the operator's cabin, it's all about control. These cranes are equipped with state-of-the-art automation systems that assist operators in every movement. Some are even fully autonomous, using AI to optimize container placement and reduce turnaround time. Did you know that over 90% of global trade moves by sea? These cranes are the unsung heroes, processing thousands of containers daily, ensuring the smooth flow of goods across the planet, from electronics to food and everything in between. With the rise of megaships like the Ever-a-Lot and HMM Algeciras, Rotterdam container cranes are built to meet the challenge. Their massive booms can reach across 24 container rows, making them indispensable for handling the largest vessels afloat. Thanks to their speed and efficiency, these cranes help Rotterdam process over 15 million TEUs annually, cementing its place as one of the world's busiest ports. Built in the 1960s to support the Apollo missions, this behemoth is still in action today. Standing as tall as a 10-story building when paired with a rocket, it's a marvel of engineering built for one purpose: moving rockets safely to their launch pads. The crawler transporter weighs a staggering 2,721 tons, the equivalent of nearly 400 African elephants. Powered by two massive 16-cylinder diesel engines, it can haul up to 18 million pounds. That's like carrying 20 fully loaded Boeing 747s. But don't expect speed. This giant cruises at just 1 mile per hour when fully loaded. What makes it so special? Its hydraulic leveling system ensures that a rocket, even as tall as a skyscraper, remains perfectly upright while traveling uneven terrain. And those tank-like treads? Each one weighs over a ton and ensures the crawler can handle the immense weight with ease. Despite being more than 50 years old, the crawler has been upgraded for NASA's modern Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon. It now supports the Colossal Space Launch System, SLS, keeping the legacy of exploration alive. Here's a fun fact. The crawler burns 150 gallons of diesel per mile, and yet it's one of the most reliable machines in NASA's arsenal. Without it, iconic missions like Apollo 11, the space shuttle launches, and the future journey to Mars wouldn't be possible. So next time you watch a rocket soar into the heavens, remember the unsung titan beneath it. NASA's crawler transporter, the steady giant that carries our ambitions to infinity and beyond. In the heart of the ocean lies a marvel of human ingenuity, a machine so massive, so advanced, it's rewriting the rules of energy production. Meet the Prelude FLNG, the world's largest floating liquefied natural gas platform, a true behemoth of the seas. Stretching over 488 meters in length and weighing a mind-boggling 600,000 tons when fully loaded, the Prelude FLNG is the largest offshore facility ever built. To put that into perspective, it's almost as long as 4 football fields placed end to end. So, what makes this giant so special? Prelude FLNG is a floating factory that extracts natural gas from under the seabed, cools it to minus 162 degrees Celsius, and converts it into liquid form. This allows it to store and transport natural gas more efficiently, enough to power a city the size of Hong Kong for a year. This isn't just a big boat, it's an engineering masterpiece. Prelude can produce up to 3.6 million tons of LNG per year and withstand some of the harshest conditions on the planet. Its anchoring system uses 4 massive mooring chains, each weighing about 17,000 tons, to keep it stable even in cyclonic winds. Operating in remote waters isn't easy. Prelude's team of engineers and workers must tackle logistical challenges and extreme weather daily. But thanks to cutting-edge automation and safety protocols, the platform runs like clockwork, delivering energy from the ocean depths to the global market. Prelude also represents a step toward cleaner energy. By liquefying natural gas, it provides a more efficient and less polluting alternative to coal and oil. As the world transitions to greener solutions, platforms like Prelude FLNG will play a critical role in bridging the energy gap. Prelude FLNG isn't just a machine, it's a symbol of human innovation and determination. From its sheer size to its groundbreaking technology, it stands as a testament to what we can achieve when ambition meets engineering. The future of energy starts here. Today, we're diving into the story of a true titan of renewable energy, the Haliade-X offshore wind turbine. Imagine a structure so tall it dwarfs most skyscrapers, harnessing the relentless power of ocean winds to light up entire cities. Ready to see how it works? The Haliade-X stands an incredible 260 meters tall. To put that in perspective, that's taller than the Statue of Liberty and Big Ben combined. And its blades? Each one measures a staggering 107 meters, the longest ever built for a wind turbine. This engineering marvel captures wind at altitudes where it's most powerful, converting it into a whopping 13 megawatts of electricity. That's enough to power 16,000 homes annually from just one turbine. By switching to turbines like the Haliade-X, we're not just generating energy, we're reducing carbon emissions dramatically. Each turbine can offset 42,000 tons of CO2 per year. That's equivalent to removing 9,000 cars from the road. But how do you build something this massive? Each turbine requires 500 tons of steel and over 2,000 hours of expert engineering to assemble. Once constructed, it's transported via specialized vessels to offshore locations. Once it's up and running, the Haliade-X stands as a symbol of hope, a beacon of our ability to harness clean, renewable energy to power our future. From towering blades to groundbreaking efficiency, the Haliade X is revolutionizing the way we think about energy. If you're as amazed as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech New Tip for more incredible stories of technology shaping our world. Welcome to Tech New Tip, your ultimate gateway to the world of cutting-edge forestry machinery. From the raw power of the Komatsu XT465L-5 to the unmatched precision of the John Deere 1470G, we explore the giants that transform forests into productivity powerhouses. Whether it's felling, skidding, forwarding, or excavating, we bring you the latest technology driving the future of forestry. So gear up, tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us on this incredible journey into the world of forestry innovation. This is Tech New Tip, where machines meet mastery. Tech New Tip. Discover the power of progress. In the heart of the forest, where nature's giants stand tall, a mechanical beast roars to life. Meet the John Deere 1470G harvester, the ultimate machine for modern logging. Watch as this marvel of engineering grabs a towering tree with ease. Its state-of-the-art harvester head slices through the trunk like a hot knife through butter, processing it in mere seconds. This machine isn't just about raw power, it's about precision and efficiency. Its advanced sensors and GPS systems ensure that every cut is calculated, minimizing waste and maximizing output. And look at that! The John Deere 1470G harvester thrives in challenging conditions, tackling rugged terrain with unmatched stability and control. No tree is out of reach. Step inside the operator's cabin, a haven of technology and comfort. With joystick precision and a 360-degree view, the operator commands this behemoth with ease. From towering trees to perfectly segmented logs, the John Deere 1470G harvester transforms the forest into a hub of productivity. It's not just a machine, it's a game changer. When it comes to efficiency, power, and innovation, the John Deere 1470G harvester stands tall in the world of forestry. A true legend of the forest floor. In the untamed wild, where dense forests challenge even the toughest machines, one name stands tall: Tiger Cat 635G Skidder, a titan of power and precision, designed to dominate the toughest terrains. Look at that! With its enormous grapple, the Tiger Cat 635G effortlessly grabs entire bundles of logs, turning the chaotic forest floor into an organized work site. No slope is too steep, no terrain too treacherous. Equipped with oversized tires and dual hydraulic cylinders, this beast conquers the wild with unshakable stability. The Tiger Cat 635G isn't just about brute strength. It's built for efficiency. Its powerful hydraulic system ensures seamless operation, while its rugged frame handles the heaviest loads with ease. Step into the cabin and you'll find a command center designed for the operator. With intuitive controls and unmatched visibility, it's as comfortable as it is functional. From dense forests to steep slopes, the Tiger Cat 635G skidder is unstoppable. Its unmatched power and agility redefine what's possible in the world of logging. For those who dare to tackle the wild, the Tiger Cat 635G skidder is your ultimate ally. Built tough, built smart, built for the job. Deep in the heart of the forest, where the heaviest logs rest and the toughest challenges arise, one machine reigns supreme, the Ponce Elephant King Forwarder, a true heavyweight champion of the logging world. Look at that strength! With a loading capacity of up to 20 tons, this machine makes even the most demanding loads look effortless. The Ponce Elephant King is not just a forwarder, it's a powerhouse. No mud, no slope, no obstacle can stop this beast. With advanced hydraulics and an innovative suspension system, it handles the harshest terrain like a walk in the park. Equipped with a powerful and precise crane arm, the Elephant King ensures maximum efficiency in every operation. Every log is handled with care, speed, and unmatched accuracy. Step into the operator's cabin, where technology meets comfort. With joystick controls, a touchscreen interface, and unparalleled visibility, the Elephant King transforms heavy-duty work into a smooth, effortless experience. From dense forests to challenging terrains, the Ponce Elephant King Forwarder doesn't just work, it dominates. Its reliability, power, and versatility make it the king of the forest floor. When the job demands strength, precision, and unrelenting performance, there's only one name to trust: Ponce Elephant King Forwarder. Long live the King of the Forest. In the heart of the forest, where precision meets raw power, one machine stands above the rest: the Komatsu 931X C8WD harvester, a marvel of engineering built to thrive where others fail. Watch this. With its cutting-edge C144 harvesting head, the 931XC doesn't just fell trees, it transforms the process into an art form. One swift cut, and the forest is yours to shape. Uneven terrain? No problem. The Komatsu 931XC's unique 8-wheel drive delivers unmatched traction and balance, ensuring it operates smoothly on the steepest slopes and the softest soil. Efficiency is the name of the game. With a powerful hydraulic system and intuitive controls, the 931XC makes quick work of delimbing and segmenting, leaving nothing but precision-cut logs behind. Step inside the cockpit of innovation. The spacious cabin features Komatsu's smart flow system, advanced joysticks, and unparalleled visibility, putting total control in the operator's hands. It's not just a machine, it's a command center. No matter the weather, no matter the challenge, the Komatsu 931XC delivers. Its robust design and intelligent technology make it the ultimate companion for any logging operation. When the job demands precision, power, and versatility, the Komatsu 931XC8WD harvester answers the call. Innovation in every cut, reliability in every move. When the forest calls for power, precision, and endurance, the TigerCat LS 855E answers. This is not just a machine, it's a force of nature built to tame even the most challenging terrains. Watch this marvel in action. The LS855E's high-capacity cutting head can slice through thick trees effortlessly, all while bunching them for efficient collection. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's built for heavy-duty operations. Steep slopes? Uneven terrain? No problem. With TigerCat's patented ER technology and a perfectly balanced design, the LS855E maintains stability and control, even in the toughest environments. Step into the cockpit. The LS855E's operator station is engineered for productivity and comfort, featuring ergonomic controls, advanced monitoring systems, and unbeatable visibility. Efficiency at its finest. The TigerCat LS855E doesn't just cut trees, it optimizes your workflow, reducing cycle times and maximizing output with every move. Built for the bold, engineered for excellence, the Tiger Cat LS855E Feller Buncher is redefining what's possible in forestry. Get ready to unleash the beast. In the heart of the forest, where strength meets precision, the Komatsu XT465L-5 reigns supreme. This isn't just a feller buncher, it's a game changer. Equipped with a high-capacity cutting head, the XT465L-5 combines raw power with surgical precision. It doesn't just fell trees, it dominates them. Uneven terrain? Slopes that make lesser machines quake? The XT465L-5 laughs in the face of adversity. Its four-way leveling system ensures stability and efficiency, no matter the challenge. Step inside the operator's seat, a command center built for performance and comfort. With ergonomic controls and 360-degree visibility, the XT465L-5 makes every move feel effortless. Watch it in action. The XT465L-5's Tier 4 engine delivers unmatched power while reducing emissions, proving that strength and sustainability can go hand in hand. Built for the toughest jobs, engineered for excellence, the Komatsu XT465L-5 is the ultimate partner for modern forestry. Are you ready to elevate your logging game? Welcome to Tech New Tip, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most amazing machines, jaw-dropping engineering marvels, and cutting-edge technology. From the largest cargo ships dominating the seas, to the floating cities redefining luxury, and groundbreaking machines transforming industries, we've got it all. Join us on a journey of discovery as we dive into the stories, innovations, and wonders that shape our modern world. This is where tech meets all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for the latest tips and incredible tech stories. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Tech New Tip. Behold the Ever-Alot, a true titan of the seas. This isn't just a ship, it's a floating megastructure, a marvel of engineering and a key player in global trade. Ever wondered how the world stays connected? Well, this is your answer. Behold the Ever-Alot, a true titan of the seas. This isn't just a ship, it's a floating megastructure, a marvel of engineering and a key player in global trade. Ever wondered how the world stays connected? Well, this is your answer. Ever-Alot's heart lies in its state-of-the-art engine room. This beast is powered by an advanced engine that not only propels it across the globe, but does so while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Talk about a green giant. This megaship travels thousands of nautical miles, connecting continents and ensuring the smooth flow of trade. From electronics and clothing to machinery and raw materials, Ever-a-Lot carries the lifeblood of modern economies. To put its size into perspective, if you stood Ever-a-Lot upright, it would tower over most skyscrapers. And its deck area? It's like having a small town floating on water. Ever-a-Lot isn't just a ship. It's a symbol of human ambition and innovation. A steel leviathan connecting people, places, and possibilities. It silently works behind the scenes, delivering the future one container at a time. Feast your eyes on this colossal masterpiece, the HMM Algeciras. A titan of the seas, this isn't just a ship. It's a floating fortress of commerce, redefining global trade one voyage at a time. Stretching an awe-inspiring 399.9 meters, HMM Algeciras is one of the largest container ships in the world. Picture this. It's longer than the Eiffel Tower, is tall, and as wide as an 18-lane highway. Now that's a big ship. But size isn't its only claim to fame. Algeciras boasts an incredible carrying capacity of 23,964 TEU containers. That's nearly 24,000 containers, each potentially filled with electronics, machinery, food supplies, and everything in between. Imagine the amount of stuff this ship delivers. Mind-blowing, right? And it's not just about size, it's about responsibility. HMM Algeciras is equipped with an eco-friendly engine that drastically reduces carbon emissions. With cutting-edge technologies like scrubbers to clean exhaust gases, this ship represents the future of sustainable shipping. From South Korea to Europe, HMM Algeciras connects continents, ensuring goods reach their destinations on time. Ports buzz with activity as this massive ship unloads its cargo, fueling industries and economies worldwide. Here's a fun fact. Fully loaded, HMM Algeciras weighs over 228,283 deadweight tons. That's equivalent to the weight of nearly 12 Eiffel Towers. And its deck area? It's like fitting 3.5 football fields side by side. Algeciras isn't just a ship. It's a modern marvel, a lifeline for the global economy and a symbol of innovation and ambition. Every journey it undertakes reshapes the world in ways we often take for granted. Welcome aboard the Symphony of the Seas, a floating city, a masterpiece of luxury, and the largest cruise ship in the world. This isn't just a ship, it's an experience, a symphony of engineering and entertainment on the high seas. Stretching a staggering 362 meters, That's longer than the height of the Eiffel Tower. The Symphony of the Seas can host up to 6,680 passengers and over 2,200 crew members. It's a marvel of modern engineering, offering a vacation like no other. This isn't just a ship, it's a city at sea, divided into 7 unique neighborhoods. Stroll through the lush greenery of Central Park with over 20,000 real plants, or head to the boardwalk for a carnival-like vibe. And the pool deck? It's a water lover's paradise with 23 pools, whirlpools, and water slides. The Symphony of the Seas is a stage for endless entertainment. Watch dazzling Broadway-style performances, catch jaw-dropping high dives at the Aqua Theater, or take a leap of faith on the ultimate abyss, the tallest slide at sea. Craving a culinary adventure? This ship has you covered with over 20 dining options, from elegant fine dining to grab-and-go favorites. Sushi, steak, pizza, or even robot-made cocktails. Whatever you fancy, it's all here. But what powers this behemoth? Symphony of the Seas runs on 3 16-cylinder Wärtsilä engines, producing enough energy to power a small city. Behind the scenes, a team of engineers ensures smooth sailing 24/7. Here's a fun fact. Symphony of the Seas is as tall as a 20-story building and has more than 2,759 staterooms. It's like carrying the population of a small town across the ocean. The Symphony of the Seas is more than a cruise ship. It's a dream come true for adventurers, families, and dreamers alike. It's a testament to human ingenuity, bringing together luxury, fun, and exploration in perfect harmony. So, are you ready to set sail on the Symphony of the Seas? Let us know in the comments what excites you the most about this incredible ship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys into the world of engineering and travel. Welcome to Tech New Tip, where the world's most powerful, awe-inspiring machines come to life. From the colossal Bell-Az 75710 with a payload that could swallow smaller trucks, to the mighty Tyson gantry crane, which holds the world record for lifting a jaw-dropping 20,000 tons, we explore the giants that keep our industries moving forward. Whether they're reaching for the skies, digging through mountains, or going underwater, each machine has a story, a purpose, and cutting-edge technology that makes it possible. Dive deep with us as we uncover the secrets of machines like the SCC 86000TM crawler crane, the Hitachi Zosen TBM, and the incredible Kraken 13000 that operates 3,000 meters below the ocean surface. Whether it's helicopters handling extreme rescue missions, excavators tearing through solid rock, or rocket transporters that inch along at a steady mile per hour with precious cargo, Tech New Tip brings you up close to the most extraordinary machines from every corner of the world. Beyond its strength, the Vermeer T1255 also stands out for its ability to operate with precision in sensitive environments. Mining companies around the world rely on it for projects where blasting is not feasible, and each job it completes redefines what's possible in surface mining. The Vermeer T1255 isn't just a machine. It's a master of terrain, transforming the way we access Earth's resources, one level pass at a time. The machine approached its first target, a towering, straight tree. As it drew near, the cutting head extended its arms like an embrace, holding the trunk securely. With a swift motion, the electric saw at the bottom sprang to life, spinning rapidly. In seconds, the tree was cut and held by the machine's firm grip. With a quick twist, the tree turned horizontally, and the cutting head glided along its length, stripping away branches effortlessly. The once leafy giant was transformed into a smooth, clean trunk. But there was more to the cutting head than met the eye. Observing closely, one would notice three distinct parts. At the middle, two directional pulleys guided the trunk smoothly, while mechanical grips at the top and bottom held it firmly in place. As it moved, the pulleys pulled the trunk forward, while the saw sliced away in sync. Piece by piece, the machine segmented the trunk, leaving a stack of straight, manageable sections ready for transport to the mill. With every slice, the logging machine optimized the workload. By cutting each trunk into segments right at the forest's edge, it reduced the bulk for transportation, cutting costs and labor alike. But, like all technology, it had its limits. This machine was designed for the tall, straight giants of the forest. When a crooked tree stood in its path, it had to call in its partner, a more versatile machine with a 270-degree rotating electric saw. This saw was adaptable, able to trim branches or even reach down to grind stumps left in the ground. So, as it turned to tackle this new challenge, the machine continued its rhythm, removing obstacles with precision. By day's end, it left behind a neatly cleared section of forest, transformed by its efficiency and strength. Isn't it amazing how a machine can work with such mastery and ease, shaping the forest as if it were simply following the steps of a well-rehearsed dance? Imagine standing in a vast open mining site under the blazing sun, surrounded by mountains of raw earth and stone. Amid the hum of heavy machinery, there's a sound that seems to vibrate the ground itself, a low, rumbling giant that makes everything around it seem small. That's the Bulldozers E75710, the largest haul truck in the world, and it's here to move mountains. Now picture this. In 2014, at one of the largest mining sites in Siberia, the crew faced a daunting task. Massive amounts of material had to be transported across the rough, uneven terrain in record time. It was a job that would have taken a fleet of trucks, but the Bulldozers 75710 took on the challenge alone. Powered by two 2,300 horsepower engines, it rolled into action, with each tire towering over a human, each capable of bearing thousands of pounds of weight. As the story goes, some workers on the ground were doubtful. How could even a machine like this haul such loads across such distance without constantly breaking down? But as it moved load after load with effortless power, the doubts faded. The Bulldozers E75710 kept at it, day after day, proving it wasn't just big, it was built to last. In a single haul, it moved over 450 tons of earth, a load that would normally take 3 or 4 trucks. To this day, it's still hard to comprehend its scale until you see it in action. This mighty truck remains a legend in the mining world, a symbol of how innovation can redefine what's possible in the most demanding environments on Earth. With every load it carries, the Bell AZ 75710 tells a story of strength, resilience, and engineering brilliance that has pushed mining into a whole new era. Picture yourself at the edge of a massive shipyard in China, surrounded by towering structures, industrial clamor, and a faint, salty breeze from the nearby sea. In the middle of it all stands a behemoth like no other, the Taisun gantry crane, the world's most powerful gantry crane, and a machine with a reputation so legendary that it's known as the Goliath of the shipyard. Here's a story that shows why. In 2008, engineers at Yantai Raffles Shipyard faced a problem. They needed to assemble entire sections of offshore oil platforms onshore. This approach promised better precision and safety, but it demanded a crane that could lift sections weighing up to 20,000 tons, the weight of 3 Eiffel Towers. No crane in the world could handle such a load at the time, so they built one, Taisun. The day Taisun was tested for the first time, the entire crew held their breath. A massive steel module weighing 17,100 tons was strapped in, and as Taisun hoisted it high into the sky, you could hear a pin drop. People on the ground were awestruck as the massive crane lifted the load effortlessly, like it was made of air. Taisun didn't just pass the test. It set a world record, and it's held that title ever since. Today, Taisun allows engineers to construct offshore platforms faster and safer, lifting entire structures from land to sea with ease. It's not just a crane, it's a marvel of engineering, a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. The Taisun gantry crane continues to push boundaries, proving that even the heaviest of dreams can be lifted if we have the strength to build the right tools. Imagine a rugged, uneven landscape covered in solid rock, where traditional mining methods struggle to make headway. Enter the Vermeer T1255 terrain leveler, a machine specifically designed to conquer the toughest surfaces in surface mining and construction. Equipped with a powerful rotating cutting drum, this terrain leveler isn't just about brute force. It's a precision tool that carves through rock and earth, creating level surfaces quickly and efficiently. In a remote desert mining operation, the Vermeer T1255 was called in to tackle a particularly challenging project. The goal was to mine a valuable mineral deposit that lay under layers of hard sandstone, layers too tough for standard mining equipment. Traditional blasting wasn't an option, as it would disrupt the environment and risk damaging the mineral. T1255 took on the challenge with ease. As its cutting drum rotated at high speeds, it sliced through the hard sandstone like a hot knife through butter. With each pass, the machine left a smooth, level surface, allowing the crew to access the mineral deposit with minimal environmental impact. Its advanced GPS controls and precision leveling technology ensured that each cut was perfectly aligned, reducing the need for secondary equipment and allowing for faster, more efficient production. Beyond its strength, the Vermeer T1255 also stands out for its ability to operate with precision in sensitive environments. Mining companies around the world rely on it for projects where blasting is not feasible, and each job it completes redefines what's possible in surface mining. The Vermeer T1255 isn't just a machine, it's a master of terrain, transforming the way we access Earth's resources, one level pass at a time. Let me take you into the heart of a bustling wood processing workshop, where the incredible Smart Cut automatic saw transforms raw logs into perfect, even pieces with ease and precision. As workers began their day, they gathered around the machine, admiring its bright orange frame and high-tech design. One worker picked up a long piece of wood, holding it carefully as he positioned it in front of the machine's mouth. With a slight push, he fed the wood into the machine, and in an instant, zip, the long plank vanished into the Smart Cut's core. A moment later, several identical wood blocks emerged from the other end, neatly cut and ready for transport. The orange cutting head moved rhythmically from left to right, powered by a high-speed electric saw nestled inside. As it shifted inward to make the cuts, a pipe at the side puffed out the sawdust, keeping the work area clear. A small baffle at the bottom of the machine was set to adjust each piece's length, up to 52 centimeters if needed, and each time it was adjusted, the cut wood would slide down a conveyor belt directly into the waiting truck bed. One unique feature caught the workers' attention, an optical sensor on the saw. This sensor watched for wood, and the moment a new piece was detected, the saw spun to life. When nothing was present, it automatically stopped, preserving energy and minimizing wear. But for the days when the job required even more speed, there was another machine, a 4-slot drum saw. As it rotated, the 4 slots continuously ate pieces of wood, slicing them even faster than the original Smart Cut, with cutting speeds 2 to 3 times as fast. Workers simply adjusted the length by moving a lever at the side, and this machine would spit out piece after piece in perfect, identical sizes. Within minutes, what had once been a pile of raw timber was now an orderly stack of wood blocks ready for shipping. As the workshop buzzed with efficiency, the workers marveled at how such a machine could transform wood processing from a laborious task into a seamless operation. Isn't it amazing how much technology can change something as simple as cutting wood? Imagine standing by the railway on a brisk morning and seeing a train unlike any other slowly rolling along the track. It doesn't carry passengers or cargo. Instead, it has two hydraulic arms extended out to either side, pushing stones and soil away as it moves forward, leaving a perfectly leveled surface in its wake. This unique train is a switch leveling vehicle, or more simply, a track lift vehicle, designed for the specialized job of keeping the tracks in prime condition. As it moves forward, you notice the hydraulic arms in action. Initially folded against the train's side, these arms extend outward when they reach a section needing leveling. Controlled by a hydraulic system, the leveling plate at the end of each arm lowers precisely to the ground, where it begins to scrape away any uneven stones and soil along the sides of the track. This smoothing process isn't just for aesthetics. It's essential for proper drainage, which keeps the track free from erosion and extends its service life. And as if that weren't enough, this train has another trick up its sleeve. After a snowfall, ice and snow build up along the rails, creating a hazard for regular trains. That's when the switch leveling vehicle's snow clearing capability shines. Its arms push the snow to the sides, while the leveling plate makes a final pass, leaving the tracks clear and safe. Whether it's leveling soil, pushing aside stones, or clearing snow, this machine is an unsung hero, quietly maintaining the railway infrastructure that keeps trains running safely and efficiently. Isn't it amazing how a train can do so much without ever carrying a single passenger? Imagine a train creeping forward on a snow-covered track, its black, rotating disc spinning furiously at the front. Snow flies in every direction, clearing the way for other trains to pass safely. This is no ordinary locomotive. It's a steam snowblower, an invention born from the harsh winters of the past. At the heart of this machine is that constantly rotating black disc, designed with layered blades. As the train moves, the blades scoop up the snow in front of it. Inside the machine, a powerful blower then pushes the collected snow to the sides of the track, leaving a clear path behind. The operation of this fascinating train begins with a fiery ritual. Workers first load wood strips soaked in gasoline into the furnace and ignite them, creating a blaze to preheat the steam engine. Once the system is ready, they shovel coal into the heating furnace, cranking the steam engine to life. A loud whistle pierces the cold air, and the transmission rod kicks into motion, setting the black disc spinning. The snowblower is ready to work. Despite its ingenious design, this classic snowblower has its limitations. Its efficiency, impressive in its time, pales compared to modern technology. Enter the next generation snowblower, a machine equipped with not one, but 4 rotating blades. 2 additional rotating devices further enhance its power. This advanced model can handle an astounding 15,000 tons of snow per hour, clearing tracks with unmatched speed and precision. The steam snowblower may be an older technology, but it laid the foundation for modern snow clearing models. Isn't it incredible to think how these machines, with their roaring furnaces and spinning blades, continue to battle winter's fury to keep the rails open?